I'm Professor Aparna Surve, Dean, D.Y. Patil School of Architecture, D.Y. Patil deemed to be University, Navi Mumbai. And I find a very great pleasure is bringing the international conference under the umbrella of Council of Architecture Transformations 2025. It is a very important moment for our school, which has finished 30 years. And apart from exploring idea of technology, urban studies, arts and design, and other domains, the school has now embarked its journey in exploring two things. One is about how we can look at crafts and arts tradition on one hand, and on the other hand, we are looking at what are the technologies going to do to us and how it is going to transform the entire discourse about how we educate our students and how do we take the entire discourse about even practices and how they come into our school. Because of this two-prong and fairly diverse inquiries, when the conference was being thought of, Professor Abhay Purohitji, the President of Council of Architecture, suggested the idea of disruptive technologies, and we immediately picked on it, and we found this is the way ahead. The entire team has worked on the theme. Various themes are going to be, will be introduced to you. There are three main objectives. The first is what is the role of innovation. Secondly, how do we look at it through multidisciplinarity, and how do we actually bring the sustainable development through this discourse. Over a period of time, in coming maybe few months, you are going to be witnessing dialogues, discourses from various experts. Today we have opportunity that one of the eminent scholars with international repute and credentials, Professor Sanjay Vidyarthi, has come to our campus, and he's going to be talking about his understanding about what disruption means, what is the role of disruptive technologies in the discourse of architecture, urbanism, art and design. It's my sincere appeal to all the fraternities, not only from architecture, but other disciplines from engineering to humanities, to be a part of this conference by way of writing research papers and be there in June in this fantastic venue to be a part of the discussion and taking this entire discourse ahead. We as a school are also looking forward to this event as a personal evolution, and we do believe that we are definitely going to achieve the idea of multidisciplinarity through this conference. Welcome all of you.